Hey guys, so I just made it up north right now. So this video is going to be Anna Thompson's survival tips and tricks to make sure you don't die in nature. First off, box of Cheez-Its. No, we are not sponsored by them. Gotta make sure you have enough, and a blanket. So for a normal survival circumstance, you don't want to leave your car. But since I am a trained professional, I'm going to teach you guys what to do when you do leave your car. Just to let you know, I'll be okay. No need to worry. And here we go. Goodbye, car. Goodbye, civilization. I did not bring the box of Cheez-Its as well because I want you guys to know how to live without food. It's going to be great. So when I said I was a professional before, I'm not actually certified, but I watched a lot of Bear Grylls, so I'm pretty sure that qualifies me. So what you're going to want to do is find some berries to eat, because after walking for a while, you get pretty hungry. So right here, I found some wonderful plants. Let me show you. See this berry? That's a berry that I'm going to eat. So what you do is you pick it, and then you blow on it like so, because you want to make sure that there's no bugs, and then you eat it. Just kidding, you don't want to eat it, okay? Don't want to eat any berries in the wilderness, otherwise you will die. So if any of you have ever seen Into the Woods, you know never stray away from the path, because what happened to Little Red Riding Hood? She almost got eaten by a wolf. Actually, she did. Actually, her grandma did. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm going to give you an example of what happens when you stray away from the path. As you can tell, nothing's quite happened yet. You know why? Because Johnny Depp is not in the wilderness. But for real, guys, this is super dangerous and you can get lost. So turn around and go back. I don't care if your grandma wants any flowers or whatever. It's not a nice gift. Flowers carry diseases. See these trees? Bam, if you ever come across a bear, you're going to want to scale a tree immediately. If there are no trees around, you make yourself look as big as you possibly can, and you take some sticks, and then you clap them around. You gotta scare them away, or climb a tree. Pretend you're Katniss Everdeen or something. Hey, 7 faithful subscribers. Last night, I slept in a hammock with this net. You can't stay in the cabin, because creepy stuff could happen. I've never seen a horror movie, but you can only imagine. Anyway, I'm pretty sure this net can protect me from basically anything, like Zika and malaria. Maybe a couple bears. But yeah, it's quite comfy. There's a beautiful view. Do you see it? I'm just gonna hang out, literally. 7 faithful subscribers. I'm wandering in the wilderness at night, and there could be bears anywhere. But I got this dog to see if anything bad happens. There's been no sign of human life for about 5 minutes, because that's how long ago I left the cabin. I don't really know where my next meal is going to come from. But I mean, if I do come across a bear, I could David and Goliath him down. I think I could take out a bear, or I might just have to eat him. But the odds are unlikely. I'll let you know if anything else happens. Peace out. 7 faithful subscribers. I seem to have